Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are fitted for the VSETT series, the steering damper. Of course, we have the damper. We will show at the next video. So first, connect these two brackets. Use this screw. Tighten them up here. Oh, here, this one. Make them tight. Okay, then we have to be hurry assemble this one here. They should be connected here. Okay, so next step we have to put this bracket here. But before install, you have to take off the small screws here. Use this tool. Also this side also need to take off. Oh. All right. So next step, we have to put the bracket here. Please remember, don't directly do like this because you have no way. You have to put from the bottom like this, and then find the right holes here, match them, and use this screw, tighten them up. For example, here. Okay. Same like another side. Okay. All right. Don't forget we have a small screw here for this hole. Don't forget to tighten it up. Okay. Okay. Next step. You can do this at first, or you can choose like me. Until now, loosen the screws here and here. Oh. All right. Next step. Use the longer screws here. Putting here, matching the holes with the back. Also here. And then using tools, tighten them up. Okay. So matching the bracket here, tighten it in the end. If that is the right length for you. Go through the wires. Oh, sorry. One side should be matching here. You have to using the plastic if necessary for you, like this. We have to use the longer screw going through here to make it tight. We have to tighten in the end. Then next step, we're gonna do matching here. Finally, it's done. Remember here we can change the damping. If you want to running smoothly or runs a little bit tougher, you can change it here from here. Let's have a test. Okay.